Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Mobileye 630 installed on a Mazda 3. The Mobileye 630 is a collision alert system that basically gives you indication of if you're too close to a vehicle in front of you, if you drift from lane to lane, if you have any pedestrians in your way. The system has the screen in here. You have a menu that you can do some changes. The first menu is the brightness. The second menu is the seconds between you and the vehicle in front of you. So that basically you decide how far away you want to get an alert, and it's not in distance, it's in seconds. The system calculates the speed of your vehicle and the speed of the vehicle in front of you and gives you enough stopping time based on your decision. The next menu we have is the lane drift. So if we change lanes with no signal, how sensitive it's going to be before it's going to alert us. And the next one we have is the speed alerts. You can turn the speed alerts on if you want to have them. If you don't have to put them on. So now we're going to drive. When the system is on, we have the yellow lines in. So now we're going to go on the road and we'll show you how it goes. Okay, so as you can see, we have the system turned on, and the system will alert us if we get too close to a vehicle. We can see the vehicle in here, and the system alerted us that we didn't have enough stopping time, which means it saw that we are getting too close and too fast, and we don't have enough stopping time. The system alerts you. The system has different sounds for every alert, for changing the lanes, for getting too close. Now, for example, if we're in traffic and I let go of the brake and get too close, you still get the alert, but as you see, it's not panicking. It's not a very fast alert. It's just a quick one. It gives you an alert to let you know that you're getting too close to the vehicle in front of you. Now we're gonna go take a right, and we're gonna show you the lane changes. Now for the lane change, we have to wait until the yellow lines become white, which means the system will start to monitor it. The lane change is based on speed. It doesn't work from every speed, it's just from the speed that we set up. In this case, we set up the speed at 50 kilometers an hour. So now we have the lines become white, which means it alerts us if we change the lane. So we're going to change the lane with no signal. Give us an alert. Change the lane the other side, and it gives us an alert. And it also gives us an alert on the car in front of us. So again, if the lane's marked in white, it's set for an alert. And they change the lane with no signals, that is the alert that we got. Now we can always change the sensitivity and have the alert faster and earlier. We're gonna go into the menu, and we can see there is a pedestrian. The system sees it. If we would go too fast towards it, it will actually be in red. So we're going to the menu. I'm going to set the alert of the lane change to 2, which is more sensitive. So that way we get the alert earlier before we go halfway into the lane. Now when there's nothing in front of you, the system just goes back to the default, which is the 2 yellow lines with no other markings around it. Pick up to the speed that will allow us to have the lane change. Wait until it's safe. There's no cars on the side of us. We're going to change the lane again with no signal. And as you see, now the lane change was much earlier because we changed the sensitivity. We're going to change to the left, and the lane change is much earlier because we lowered the sensitivity, we increased the sensitivity. If you put a signal, we don't have the alert to the lane change. And as you can see, if we have a car in front of us, it will tell us the distance between us and the vehicle in seconds. It puts it in red, which means we don't have enough for what we set. The distance in this case, you see 1.2 seconds, it alerts us that we are too close from what we set. We can set the distance to a different timing. See, it's 1.4, it's in the safe zone. The set here is 1.2, so we have it 1.2 becomes the red zone. If we get too fast, we're going to have speedy alert to show us that we are getting too close to the vehicle in front of us. So the Mobileye system can be installed on pretty much any vehicle. To get prices, contact us on our website carsystemsinstallation.ca. Like us on our Facebook, CSI Toronto, and subscribe to our channel on the left corner. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.